I'm Michael, and I want to show you a new dance called Beer, Babe and Ammo. It's a 32 count 2-ball line dance with some nice surprises. But let's start with the steps first. Section 1. Side, touch, grapevine with the quarter brush. Section 2. Cross, back, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross. Section 3. Side, rock, cross, hold 4, step, turn, walk, walk. And the last section, section 4, cross rock, recover, side, hold, cross rock, recover, side, touch. Let's put it all together with the counts. Section 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, touch 8. And like I told you before, we have some nice surprises. The first surprise is a tag. It's a 4-count tag, absolutely easy. The tag goes like that. Step slightly forward on your right. Bend your knee. Lean your upper body a little bit forward. Touch your left toe behind your right foot and tap on the brim of your head. Go back on your left and touch right. So on the count, 1, 2, 3, 4. This first surprise should be done every time you finish the front ball. So that means on the second, after the second ball, after the fourth, after the 7th, the 9th and the 11th ball. And if you are wondering about the gap between the 4th and the 7th ball, there is a second surprise between. There's a restart. You start round ball 5, facing 12 o'clock, with the side, side, behind, quarter, brush, chest box, quarter, turn, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock. Cross, hold 4, let's count 20, and then just restart the dance, side, touch, and so on. That was the second surprise. And because all good things are 3, I got a third surprise for you. A nice ending. The ending is on wall 13. The last round. Dance the first 16 counts. You're facing 6 o'clock, dance the first 16 counts, and then do another additional 4-count tag to finish the dance facing 12 o'clock. So, for example, that would be the 6 o'clock ball. Let's start over here with side, touch, side, behind it, quarter, brush, chest box, quarter, turn, cross, side, behind, side, cross. These are the first 16 counts, and then add a side rock, recover half turn to the left, step left side, put your right heel forward, tap on the brim of your head and say hello to the band or the DJ. Thanks for watching, have fun, bye bye.